Hi, I'm Dr. Mary. That packaged snack you ate today is doing much more to your body than you think. It's designed to bypass your biological controls. What exactly happens if you stop eating ultra-processed foods for just 30 days? Is it really possible to reverse years of dietary damage in 1 month? From the chemical withdrawal in the first 3 days to the incredible energy surge in week 4, we will examine the scientific timeline of your recovery. But first, a quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. Hi, I'm Dr. Mary. Today we're talking about the hidden danger in our kitchens, ultra-processed foods, or UPF. They represent a global health crisis. UPFs now account for more than half of the calorie intake in many modern diets. But to solve the problem, we first need to define it correctly. Let's clarify. Not all processed food is the enemy. Processing is a spectrum. Simple processing has been part of human culture for millennia. Frozen vegetables or canned chickpeas are processed and are perfectly healthy. They are simply preserved to retain their vitamins and minerals. However, ultra-processed foods are fundamentally different. They are industrial formulations of food-derived substances plus additives. If you see ingredients you'd never find in your own kitchen, like emulsifiers, sweeteners, bulking agents, and modified starches, that is a UPF. These foods are not just empty calories. They are industrially engineered to manipulate your brain chemistry and your gut microbiota directly. They are designed to be hyperpalatable, bypassing your body's natural "I am full" signals to keep you reaching for the next bite. When you consume these foods, your brain's reward system, specifically the nucleus accumbens, is flooded with dopamine, just like with addictive substances. This creates a cycle of craving and crashing. This is why the first few days of your 30-day journey will be the most challenging phase. Days 1 to 3 are about withdrawal. Your body has become reliant on rapid glucose spikes and easy energy. Now it wants its fix back. You may experience physical symptoms like headaches, brain fog, irritability, and intense sugar cravings that feel almost ignore. During this time, your brain is actually recalibrating. Your dopamine receptors are starting to down-regulate and become more sensitive to natural flavors again. Think of it as a factory reset for your palate. Stay strong through these 72 hours because the metabolic miracle is about to begin. By the end of the first week, your primary hunger and fullness hormones, leptin and ghrelin, finally start communicating properly again. Ultra-processed foods act like static on a radio, drowning out these signals. Now, that static is clearing, allowing you to feel true satiety. You will notice that real, whole meals, a steak, a bowl of lentils, or a fresh salad, are actually starting to make you feel satisfied and full. The bottomless pit feeling caused by chemical flavor enhancers is disappearing. Your body is remembering how to regulate its own energy needs.